Hey guys, it's Nikka and Kai's not here again. So today, instead of Kai, we're gonna have Gudetama. Just kidding, we're having Kai. So today we are going to make slime. A big slime. We're gonna make huge. We have slime. To glow in the dark. Where's my other? Oh yeah, this is. I'm using pink and regular. Kai is using blue and regular. We have so many decorations. I will use. Kai, it's coming out. It's open. Oops. It's okay. So our first step is to. What is our first step? Oh yes, add glue. No, stop. Yeah. So open it like this. And just pour it. Wait, your regular one? Anyone. We're gonna pour both of them. I'm gonna pour my regular. Woo! Oh my god. Wait, is that coming out? Oh my god, there's so much. Oh my god. Oh yeah, by the way, these are glow in the dark. Wait, we already mentioned that at the start. Oh, it's okay. Come on. Let's pour in the colored glue. Ready? Oh, no way. Look at this. Oh my god, I put it in the corner. Yeah, you should put it in the middle. It's easier. Oh my god. Oh no, oopsies. Kai got it on his shirt.
No. Oh no.
No. Oh my god, here's Papa! Yeah, we wiped off the glue with Kai's shirt because I don't know why he did that. Oh my god. But we're gonna keep squirting. I just kept on squirting it and whatever. How about that? Wait, there's a lot. Sounds like construction. So we put in the glue. This is mine. And this is mine. And so the next step is to pour in the magical liquid. It actually has contact solution and baking soda. Yeah. Take yours, guys. We need 2/4 of a cup because we added 2 bottles. Wait, we're gonna add all of it in? Yep. Here we go. Woo! I'm adding it everywhere. All over. Okay. I added 2/4 of a cup. Our next step is to put mix. Time to mix. Ooh. Oh my god, it already looks like it's turning into slime. I got my whole thing. Oh my god, this is so weird. Oh. Get off. I feel like I added too much magical liquid, but I don't think so. It's like, ew. So jiggly. Oh my god. It's gonna fall down. I see so much extra magical liquid. Is that supposed to be happening? Let's just keep on mixing. The magical liquid man on me. It's okay. Yeah. So next thing is to no, I want to do it. Hey, you have your own. Wait, what? Oh. And now shake it. I have to shake it. Shake. Okay, now we got it. Squirt. Oh my god. That's enough. It looks way like more marshmallows than it is on camera. Like more marshmallowy. It's like so. Oh my god! It looks way cooler. Kai, that might be enough. Yeah, that's enough, Kai. Let's take my spoon away and mix with my hands. Wait, can I eat this?
No. No, that's shaving cream.
Wait, hands?
You can use spoon
You can use
either.
spoon, but spoon. I don't want to get my hands. Oh, man, too much. I don't think so. Fluffier the better. I don't want my hands. My hands are spicy. Feels amazing. But so sticky. Oh, mine is full of shaving cream. Okay, mine is even more. Whoa. I don't know if it's just a slime yet. I have to first make it on more sticker because it's way too sticky still. Oh my god. Way too sticky. Oh my god. I'm mixing my slime. Sadly, my bowl was too little small, so I'm gonna move it to a bigger bowl. Should I use my hands to take this off? This
Yes.
off. Now look at my hand. I'll mix. Oh my god, my slime's so sticky. My slime is turning out really good. But it's really it's so sticky. I think I need more baking soda.
Let's keep. Oh my god, oh my god.
It's actually really pretty. Oh my god. How am I gonna get all of this off? I'll just use my other hand as all over my hand. Oh my god. Guys having huge trouble. It's coming out pretty well. I'm just trying to take the slime off. Just gotta keep playing with it.
Yeah, spray like that.
Like how we make the bagels. How we play with the dough, but a little differently. Oh my god, I'm holding my spoon. Yeah. Oh my god.
Mate.
Hey, wait, Mama, I can get out.
Please slime and put it on here.
Oh my god, I have my slime. I think I'm pretty much done with my slime. Like my huge base. It's kind of sticky. Like really sticky. Maybe I should. What makes slime unsticky? Okay, so we think our slime is a little too sticky. You didn't even put it in. So we are gonna put contact solution in because that's supposed to make your slime unsticky. So mommy put some in mine. Whee. Oh yeah, it's not sticky. Oh, that's good. Mom, can you put a little more? It's helping a lot. I'm not getting that sticky anymore. Still pretty sticky though. But I'm gonna take. It's easier to take off. Take solution off. Yeah. Get the tinier bowl again. And oh no.
Okay.
I think I just need a little bit more. Yeah, it's a little bit more. Ooh.
Okay.
Well, this slime is huge. It's just the biggest my page. Bye-bye. Wait, look. Ready? like a huge brain. So once we finish making our fluffy slime, we will be adding decorations.
I'm
not adding any decoration. Not even foam? A little bit. Do you need more baking soda?
Nope. I'm gonna add one decoration.
Mine is actually really nice.
I added one decoration, and then we add another
So
one.
now
We added 2 decorations.
where?
It's inside my slime.
Okay, so instead of adding a lot in one bag, I'm gonna split it in two slime. Yeah, and put one in a different bowl. Oh, it's not coming off. There we go. Okay. I think we should put more slime in the other one. Okay. So now we separate it into 2 and time to add decoration on this one first.
Bye.